In this video I'm gonna showing it to you how can you add a contributor on your Wix website. Like yes, I'm going to my website and I want to include someone to work with me on my Wix template. Like yes, I am a buyer and I want to include someone on my Wix website to work for me. So I have just go to my Wix template and then let me go to the settings, and then under the settings I can see here role and permission. I just need to go there, and then you can see I have include already someone and I want to include more. So I have just click invite more and I need to put here the email address. So like as my designer email address is example@gmail.com, and here have option. I have made a custom role here, but I don't want to include that. I want to do as a website designer or website manager. Both are safe, but not make them admin. You may add them as a admin if they need that, but basically all of the time they need the website manager feature. So I have just click here website manager, and then I need to click send invite, and now I need to select from here any of them, like as an agency or freelancer. Just click done. Now your designer will get an email address. There have option to accept the website. So look like that way you can include or you can invite a designer to work on your Wix website. Thank you so much.